Are you someone who struggles with Excel, whether it is writing formulas or debugging issues or creating models? Let me tell you, Claude is now available within Excel, which means you can do all of it by just typing in simple English, and that is so powerful. So watch the video till the end to understand everything that you need to know about Claude in Excel. Also, you need a paid account of Claude in order to use it within Excel. And if you do not have a paid account, if you have a free version, I will also share a workaround how you can use Claude in order to make your life easy when it comes to Excel. So what is Claude? Claude is an AI chatbot similar to ChatGPT. It is created by the company Anthropic, and now Claude is available in Excel, which means you can use it within your Excel workbooks, and you do not need to copy or attach your Excel workbooks to Claude. You can use it within your Excel worksheets. You can just type there your question, or you can ask for any sort of formatting, anything of that sort, and all of that is available within Excel. Let's see what all can it do. If you guys know Copilot, it is just like that. You can use it within your Excel workbook. You can get answers about any cells in seconds. You can ask any questions, you can test scenarios without breaking your formulas, you can debug and fix errors if there are any reference error or value or type error. It can help you debug that. It can help you build models, it can help you build financial models, it can help you clean data, it can help you understand your data, it can help you understand the formulas that are being used in your workbook. Basically, it can help you in doing a lot of stuff. So as it says, the Claude you trust right in Excel, you can use it right within your Excel workbook. There is transparency and visibility, formula integrity, enterprise security, all of that. Where is this available? Claude in Excel is available in beta for Claude Pro, Max, Team, and Enterprise Plan customers, which means you need a paid subscription to Claude in order to use it within Excel. What are the security risks? Claude can make mistakes, of course, like any other chatbot, it can make mistakes. So human intervention is needed. You need to cross check, you need to validate the data once, but it can obviously help you with a lot of stuff. So you should always review changes before finalizing, especially for client-facing deliverables. Does Claude understand financial modeling conventions? Yes, it does. It is trained to recognize common financial modeling patterns. However, you need to verify the output. You shouldn't be trusting Claude blindly. You should be validating, reviewing the output once. What are the file formats that are supported? It currently supports XLSX and XLSM, and file size limits applied based on the plan. So whatever Claude plan you have, the file size limit would be dependent on that. Now let's see how we can integrate Claude in our Excel workbook. So I am on Excel. Let me show you how you can integrate Claude to your Excel workbook. You need to go on add-ins and you can search for Claude, and you can select that, and here it will show up. So you need to log into your Claude account, but as I mentioned earlier, you need a paid subscription. The free version will not work over here, but in case you have a free version, you can use Claude directly, which means, let's say this is my Claude account, this is my free version, and I can attach my file over here, I can attach my Excel file over here and ask it to do the same things. I can ask Claude to format data, I can ask Claude to clean my data, I can ask Claude regarding any sort of questions, or I can even ask Claude to make a dashboard out of it or a financial model, anything, and it will do it for me, but it will not do it within Excel. So if you are working a lot on Excel, I would recommend having the paid version of Claude and using it here itself, because it will help you save a lot of time. Otherwise, you will have to make changes to your Excel and then re-upload it to your Claude account. But here in Excel, you wouldn't need to make changes. The changes Claude will recommend, or the changes you are doing, will happen live. So it will be very quick. So whatever recommendations Claude is doing, or whatever changes it is doing, it will be right within Excel. You wouldn't have to download it and then save it and then make changes and then upload it again. You don't have to do any of that. So let's see an example. This is the data. This is a very basic data that I'm using. Name, ID, date of birth. These are the names and potential duplicate records I have to over here. And if you see the ID column, this one is this one has alphabets and the rest have digits, the rest have integers, so that is a potential issue. Then date of birth, this is not in the right format. All the records are not in the same format. This looks incorrect. Then this one is a future date, so that is also a potential issue. So let's see what all Claude is able to find out for us and what all it is changing for us. Let's see. So this is a very simple prompt that I used. Can you help clean the data? And this is the response that I got from Claude. So names are in inconsistent casing. So as you can see, S is capital, M is small letter. So the starting letter sometimes is small letter, sometimes it is capital letter. So it has pointed that out. IDs are in mixed types. AB is non-numeric and there are some duplicates. Emma has ID 3 twice. Dates, inconsistent formats. Again, this is a different format, this is a different format, and this is a different format. Future date is also there. 2028 12/03 is in the future, so that is also alarming. We have duplicates. So this is the output that Claude has generated. It has cleaned the data and it has highlighted the issue. Now second example is this data set that I pulled from Kaggle. It's a very messy data set, and yeah, the data is very inconsistent. The formatting, the colors, everything is very messy. Let's see what Claude does. This is the response that I got from Claude. It has divided the data into 3 sheets. Here's what was cleaned up. So it has also given a description of what all Claude has done. A clear title and frozen header row has been added, proper column headers, numbers formatted with thousands, separator and parentheses for negatives. So wherever there are negative numbers, that has been added in parentheses. Color coded rows distinguishing totals, subtotals from line items. Alternating row shading for readability. So this is the output that has been generated. This is the first tab, P and L. So the negatives are added in, the negative numbers are added in parentheses. This is the second tab, very clean. This is the third tab, again very clean. This is the original Excel sheet. Look at how badly formatted it is and how unclear everything is in this workbook. And this is how Claude has cleaned it. Very clean and very nicely formatted. I also asked Claude to create a dashboard using the data, and this is what it has done. Here's the interactive financial dashboard. It has organized it into 5 tabs: overview, income statement, balance sheet, cash flow, people data. This is the dashboard it has created. The charts are very neatly made. This is the second tab. Tooltips are also added, very nice. This is the third tab. You can obviously ask Claude to make changes to this dashboard. So all in all, Claude is very powerful when you combine it with Excel. And yeah, I would recommend trying it out. I would recommend trying a couple of things. It will help you in making your work faster. Claude and Excel together is a power packed combination, so make the most of it. Having said that, cross check the responses that Claude is giving. It can make mistakes, so do not trust it blindly. And yes, with that I will end this video. I hope you all found this video useful. If you all did, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, like and comment down for any sort of suggestions you all have for me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.